Jesus. I trust that this song will bless each one that is here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. If you give a little more than you take, and if you try to fix more than you break, if you're the kind who takes the time to help a stranger in the rain, there's a place for people like you. If you stand up for those on their knees and lend a voice to those who cannot speak, God shine the little light, give sight to the ones who've lost their way. So there's a place out there for people like you. I've heard that there are streets made of gold, and when you get there, there's a hand to hold. I believe when your days out here are through, there's a place out there for people like you. If you walk around with your hearts on your sleeve, and if you try to be the change you want to see, Christ laid down his life for us so that we could be saved. And there's a place up there for people like you. Would you mind singing the chorus with us? I heard that there are streets made of gold. Yeah. And when you get there, there's a hand to hold. I believe when your days out here are through, there's a place out there for people like you. For people like you. I know you're out there, so keep doing what you do. But there's a place out there for people like you. There's a place out there for people like you. There's a place out there